In this video, we're going to derive the quadratic formula. So let's say you've got a quadratic equation. Let's just say the graph looks something like this. Our job is to find these 2 points. So at these 2 points, the y value will be 0. So put 0 into the y. And then we can only complete the square when the coefficient of x squared is 1. So the first step is to divide everything by a. So here you've got one block plus another block plus another block equals this block. Divide everything by a. So 0 divided by a would be 0. This thing divided by a, that would be x squared. And then this block divided by a, it would be this. And then this divided by a. And then now complete the square. So complete the square on this. You're right to zoom into these two terms. And it's always half of this coefficient here. So it's going to be x plus half of the coefficient. Well, half of the coefficient, let's look at the coefficient. If you want half of this, then you divide it by 2. So the 2 gets multiplied to the bottom. So half of that will be b over 2a. So it would be b over 2a and then squared, and then you take away the rubbish. The rubbish will be this thing squared. So it will be b squared over 4a squared, and then you carry this block down, and then now these two blocks are just numbers, so let's merge them together. They're just constants, so merge them together. So let's times top and bottom here by 4a, because we want to get the two denominators to be the same. So this thing here will then become 4ac over 4a squared, and then this block here stays the same, so that will be b squared over 4a squared, and then let's just carry this down, so x plus b over 2a squared, and then so that, remember, everything equals 0. And then now the two denominators are the same. Merge them together. So it would be 0 equals x plus b over 2a squared. Merging these two together would be, well, the two denominators are the same, so we can merge them. And then it would be b squared and then minus 4ac. Now you guys always get this wrong. You guys always put a plus here, but it's not. It's actually a minus, and the reason for that is because of this. So you got one block here, and then you got a minus on the outside. So that would be minus b squared, and then this times this will be a minus and a minus will give you a positive. Well, it has to be a minus in here. Okay. So now this is just a constant. This whole block is just a constant. So add this block to both sides. So that would then be b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared equals x plus b over 2a squared. And then now square root both sides. Square root both sides. When you square root, you get two versions, the positive version and the negative version. Now take away this block from both sides. So that will then be minus b over 2a. So that will then leave you with x. So x equals this. Remember root a over b is the same as root a over root b. So we can use that on this block here. So that will then become root. So that will then become b squared minus 4ac over root 4a squared, and then you've got your plus minus b over 2a here, and then that equals x, and then well, square root of 4a squared will be 2a. So now same denominator, you can merge them together. So that becomes well, same denominator. So really you've got one fraction here and another fraction here. Same denominator, same denominator. So merge them together. Hang on. Let's do it over here. Merge them together. That will then give you 2a and then minus b plus minus root b squared minus 4ac. So this is your quadratic formula. Okay.